Hello everybody, welcome back.
Good morning.
Got Lisa and Evelyn's back there. And I'm James, if you don't know. So we're doing one of our favorite things, which is hitting the road, traveling, using our turn signals, driving safely, obeying construction zones and speed limits and stuff like that.
Mm-hmm.
But we're on the way to surprise my sister, Maria. For yeah, well, we're celebrating her 43rd birthday.
40,
She
yes.
won't see this until
Yeah,
we gotta edit
Yeah,
it.
we got it. Good.
But
Good to know.
it's kind of a surprise, so that'll be fun.
Yeah, that'd be great.
And so they run Nate's Oyster Bar in Slocum, Alabama. Her and her husband Ben. So if you're out there, you could drop my name and
Is it open?
probably get something nice.
Yeah.
Is it open?
Enjoy some oysters from the south.
Yeah.
So we're heading south to Alabama to do that. And so that's what we do on this channel, is hit the road,
Hit the road.
enjoy
Jack.
art, travel,
Mm-hmm.
cars, automotive, Mazdas. I'd like to thank all of our sponsors, Keeley Electronics, for hooking us up with such awesome gifts,
Yeah.
representing. And then the Mazda Crystal Lake store for holding it down while I'm away, taking
Yeah.
care of our customers. Thank you so much for our customers making this all possible. So everybody be safe, safe travels, and hope you enjoy the photography and cinematography. Anything else?
No.
All right, let's jam.
All right.
Got you in my mind and I got you in my ear. It's my favorite song with you, but I need your heart to hear. I got a wish lane through the today. Get you home with me so I can be on my way. On my way to you. And we saw you volunteering today. Well, it's the umbrella of everything you display.
You don't want to take pictures? You're stuck in your shoes.
That was awesome. That was a very long to do that.
All right, how do you like the Nashville KOA so far?
It's good. Yeah, you already found the sweatshirt in there that you want. That's good.
How's it going, babe? 7:30?
Mm-hmm.
7:30 in the morning.
Yeah.
Are you sure? Are you sure you want to do that? All right, when I wake up, when I open my eyes, I'm going to be like, okay, Evie, it's time to get up. You're going to be like,
What time are you gonna do?
I'm pretty sure it'll work out.